Hi, my team's name is Leiden. The COVID-19 pandemic has had terrible consequences in our society. We as teachers found that our students suffered as well. In a 2021 survey, out of 32.9 million students that were enrolled in schools in Mexico, 8% did not participate in online learning. Those who did, 58% reported to have not learned anything or very little. My team and I are teachers, and when we went over the UN Sustainable Development Goals, it was clear to us that students in Mexico needed number 4, quality in their education. As it turns out, leadership skills improve a student's school performance and develop much-needed social-emotional skills. We found that leadership enables students to practice cooperative work, intrinsic motivation, and positive interdependence all at once. Many Mexican private schools do teach leadership in the classroom. However, public schools do not, and 89% of Mexican students go to public schools. Our project opens the possibility to bring these much-needed skills to more Mexican students. Our business concept is focused on teachers. We give them the tools and inspiration to bring student leadership into their classrooms through a free, massive, open online course and an online teacher community. The market we will start with is high schools in the city of Tijuana, Mexico, which currently has over 8,000 teachers. Our growth will be 1.2 million Mexican teachers, potentially public and private schools. Then we will expand to elementary and middle school. Our model can be used by any country, so the potential to grow can be global. The value in our proposition is to first lay the foundation for leadership in public schools in Mexico, which will improve the quality of education and ensure equality, while cultivating students with skills that are needed in the workforce and life. The teachers will receive due credit within their schools for participating in this model, as well as improving their current curriculum. Our revenue models include our online platforms, social media, and donations. One of the key points in our revenue are the corporations, since their alliance to our project will ultimately serve them as well. Today's students are tomorrow's workforce. Essentially, through us, they are giving back to society. The impact of our project will be helping students do better in school, lowering school dropout rates. Our model ties in with education, yes, but it also reduces inequalities between public and private schools and equips students with skills for their future employment. So we will also include number 4, number 10, and number 8 of the UN goals. The actions we have already started is the theoretical and methodologic framework. We have also started implementing our models into schools and started on PDFs on student leadership that teachers will be able to download for free on our website. Our team is comprised of 3 teachers with masters in education, with 5 years of myself and Brenda in front of students teaching, and Gemma 3 years. We 3 have been teaching in different grade levels in public and private education in Mexico. The next steps we will take is first start the nonprofit organization, then create the massive online course, develop our digital platforms and media, and then expand to the different grade levels of elementary and middle school. Our team's goal is bring leadership to schools, to every school. Thank you.